What's up, family? How y'all doing today? Ida here, and today we're gonna remove some cables. Let's get that done. The best type of connection when it comes to networking is a hardwired connection. You'll have the least amount of lag, ping, the maximum amount of speed. I mean, it's just a direct connection. There's no really any other type of interference. Now, if you have a place that is wired for Ethernet, then it's not really an issue. But, you know, in my home, I have a 100-foot Ethernet cable going across the whole house, and that's a tripping hazard. Eventually I'm going to get an electrician out here to do a few rewiring and get some Ethernet jacks in different areas in the home, but until then, we need a decent solution that will give us fast internet, fast connection speed, and the least amount of lag. In order to do that, we need a great Wi-Fi card. In comes in the TP-Link Archer T4U Plus. I did an unboxing review on a little brother, the T3U. Link will be right here, and I was pretty impressed with its performance. The PC that needs this Wi-Fi is a little bit further from the router than the other PC. This has dual antennas, so it should have a stronger connection. Link for this product will be in the description below. And before we continue, if you guys enjoy this type of content, smash that subscribe button. It helps the channel grow and bring you great content. Our goal is to improve this statistic right here and get to 2,000 subscribers. And when we hit 2,000 subscribers, we're going to do a giveaway. So bring a friend and smash the subscribe button. So let's take a look at the features of this Wi-Fi adapter. So this Wi-Fi adapter is a fast Wi-Fi adapter. It runs at around 1300 megawatts per second. So you're going to get about 400 megawatts per second on the 2.4 gigahertz band. And you'll get around 867 megabytes per second on the 5 gigahertz band. So I'm using a gigabit fiber internet, and this basically reaches that speed. It's rarely going to get 1000 megabits from your ISP, but this is more than enough for the uses I want. It is a dual band wireless with 2.4 and a 5 gigahertz bands for nice flexibility and connectivity. It has dual high gain antennas, and that will give you improved range, signal, and transmission performance. It supports MIMO, which will deliver efficient wireless connection. It runs on USB 3.0, which is 10 times faster than USB 2.0, so you have all the speed there. And the antennas are adjustable. This way you can adjust it any way you want, so you get the maximum signal. From the features to the specs. So on the 2.4 gigahertz band, it supports 802.11 B, G, and N. On the 5 gigahertz band, it has support for A, N, and AC. 5 decibel high gain antennas. The interface is USB 3.0. It has a LED status light, so you know when it's on. And it has all the securities from WEP, WPA, WPA2, WPA, PSK, WPA2, PSK. And the dimensions of the adapter is 84 by 186.3 by 19.2 millimeters. Alright, so let's take a look at the box before we unbox. So let's take a look at the front of the product. It is a TP-Link AC1300 Archer T4U Plus. Here's the overview of the features. On the 5 gigahertz band, you get 867 megabits per second. On the 2.4 gigahertz band, you get up to 400 megabits per second. It has a 5 decibel high gain antenna, 2 of them, USB 3.0, and MU-MIMO technology. Again, the high gain, high boost antennas, which are those over here. Picture of the product, Windows and Mac support, and it comes with a free 1 meter USB 3 extension cord. On this side, we just have the name of the product again, the package content, you have the Wi-Fi adapter, the quick installation guide, the receiver, resource CD, and a 1 meter USB 3.0 cable. And the specs that we went over earlier. Just the barcode, the serial number, and some contact information. On this side here, just the name of the product, and the system compatibility, which is Windows 7, 8, 8.1, 10. I'm pretty sure it also supports Windows 11 and Mac OS. Just the name of the product. And it comes with a 2-year warranty. And has some little contact information over here as well. And in the back of the product, it goes over all of the features of this receiver. It's an AC1300 dual band Wi-Fi. It has MU-MIMO technology for high efficiency. Boosted coverage so you get even more range. As you can see, a regular small USB adapter versus this, you get a lot more range. And flexibility was built into the design, so you can adjust the antennas the way you want and put the receiver in the optimal location, especially with that extension cord. Alright, let's unbox this. Give me money. Wi-Fi card, USB cable, a quick installation guide, pretty easy to install. and a resource CD. More than likely has drivers in here. More than likely the drivers are out of date. So you know what that means? Chug it to the side and download the most up-to-date drivers from their website. So let's go over the USB adapter itself. And of course we have to take off all the plastics. It is a fingerprint magnet. So we have our two antennas over here. I can walk. The LED indicator light on the back. We've got some rubber feet and our USB interface. Let's go install this and test it. And here comes the most difficult. Okay. So let's plug it in. So plug in the micro USB 3 port in the back. Alright, we're plugging in. And now the most difficult part. Will this plug in the right way the first time? Legend says that this cannot plug in the right way the first time. Plug it in, no, flip it up, and flip it one more time. It plugged in. And it lives! Sometimes you have to plug it into the back port because those USB tend to be a lot more stable than the front ports. Alright, so let's install the drivers. Looks like Windows is taking care of that right now, and we'll be back. And then we'll do a speed test to see how fast this is. And this is a pretty quick wireless adapter. We had a ping of 8 milliseconds and download speed of 590 megabits per second and upload speed of 521 megabytes per second. Now the idle time speed is a little bit more, and it could be just some setting that I need to tweak on my router just to get that last bit of speed out of it. My first impressions of this wireless adapter are pretty well. It is quick, installation is fairly easy. Make sure to download the latest driver from their website. Don't use the included CD. And if you want Mac OS support, make sure you download those drivers from their website. The only kind of gripe that I have about it is I wish the feet were magnetic, so when I put it on my PC, it doesn't slide around. It just click, sticks on there, and that's it. Instead of just sliding around and the back end is come up just like that. So that's a little small pet peeve. Other than that, pretty decent wireless adapter. Its little brother was great and is still running right now beautifully. So I'm expecting the same out of this device, running a long time reliably. And if you guys want this product, link is in the description below. If you guys enjoyed this type of content, smash that like, hit subscribe, and ring that bell so you get notified when I release my next video. If you guys have a question, a comment, or want to say hello, what's up? Drop it in the comments below, and I will see you guys next time. Peace.